Audio.
This is the 2.3 liter motor turbo from the Ford Focus RS. It makes 500 horsepower.
Wow.
500 wheel torque. So it's pretty insane. So yeah, it's pretty much just a basic power plant with a couple of additions plus a big turbo, and uses the completely stock block and pretty much the stock transmission. And we've just rewired and modified pretty much everything on this car. But yeah, it's pretty insane. It's just over 1,900 pounds, and it makes just less than 3,000 pounds of downforce. Especially on the Pirelli P0s, this thing grips the track like crazy. And obviously you can get a passenger too. So
yeah,
it's
very cool.
Quite the experience, as the name says.
And where are these made?
As they're made, the original facility is over in Italy.
Okay.
But we're trying to produce them here in the U.S. as well. We have already sold 5 here in the U.S., 10 over in the world, and then there's another 2 on order.
So this is one of a dozen.
This is just over $350,000.
Oh, that's not bad. I thought you were going to be another zero on that.
No,
so that's
no,
pretty good.
It's pretty good, especially for a complete carbon fiber car and complete carbon fiber monocoque. This is a steal for how fast this car truly is.
Very cool. Awesome.
And I will say, I was testing, me and 2 other drivers were testing this car for the past 3 days at Sebring, and we were blowing the doors off of everything. GT2 RSs, Viper ACRs, it blows the doors off.
Oh, I'm sure it handles pretty,
it really
pretty
does.
well. Very cool.
Very Formula car like for sure.
Nice.